Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee attended.
Prime Minister is already under election process. They should not stop us from doing that.
বললাম the all religious leaders সেখানে প্রেজেন্ট ছিল সেই অবস্থায় বলেছেন
আরে যে মুখ্যমন্ত্রী এক কথা বলে পরে বলিনি সেই মুখ্যমন্ত্রী আছে কথা।
সেই মুখ্যমন্ত্রী কাজ করছে দেশে, আমাদের মুখ্যমন্ত্রী কি করে গেছে সেটা দেখুন।
Full stop.
Yes. Not enough, if not, so far as the motion is concerned from your lordship.
I'm trying to touch. I do not know whether.
We are appreciating.
Yes, Mr. Bhattaji.
This is the Durga Puja. The Durga Puja has been here for the last 50 years. Now this time they wanted to make a record. They decided to build up a Durga Pratima of 112 feet, which will break the record.
Who will make?
These organizers, they will build up a Pratima to the height of 112 feet.
So you are not for the organizer.
I am for the organizers.
Yes.
Now, it has been intimated to the UNESCO, intimated to the the Google authorities, who puts it the Guinness Book of Record. Everything is done. Structure is complete. Now, just a few days back, this might complain that the Honorable Chief Minister in a meeting said, I have come to learn that there is going to be a puja, which is going to break the record, should not be allowed to be held.
Well, I object to that.
I say,
I object to that. Yes.
I welcome his objection.
No, place your case, but don't take the name of the chapter.
I have
Banerjee will be making your submission.
This is the averment. Thereafter, the police goes to the spot, stops us from doing anything. I'll show the photography of the police. Kindly comes to page 53. Page 53. The police is in front of the structure, preventing my persons to carry on with the pandal. I can show you the better copies. But everything is done, and what prevents the police and other authorities to stop the puja?
So did you obtain the permission? Because permission is necessary for holding this. For holding this from the authorities, you have to take permission.
But since this is not a new puja, I tell you.
Yes.
This is a puja.
Every year it is to be renewed. Permission has to be renewed.
We have got the sanction of the electricity authorities, paid the money. Kindly come to page.
No, what is the procedure which is being practiced every year?
We have
You have to obtain the fire as well as other.
We have obtained everything.
Then you have to obtain a permission from the local administration.
But they always allow me to carry on, no problem.
So did you obtain that permission from this year?
I have intimated them, no refusal.
Where is that? Where is the intimation?
Kindly come to page 26. It is in the month of January. In application for asking Durga Puja permission, humble submission.
Not January, it's September.
Sorry,
September.
Inform we are going to celebrate our Durga Puja like as
This
before.
letter was on 3rd of September. Yes.
Our
So
puja is going
you applied for permission.
yes.
No reply.
No reply, no refusal. I went on with the structure. Kindly see the structure which has come up.
Yes, Mr. Banerjee, what is the fate of this application?
And what is the basic reason for objection? I want to know it from the state.
What is the fate? This application was made on 3rd of September 2024. So what is the procedure for holding this?
Procedure is the blood. So far as the blood, the height of the idol.
No,
height of idol.
That is
No, they said.
no. The organizers have to apply for permission.
Yes.
Along with what? What are the documents? What are the clearances?
Yes.
What are required? What are the clearances?
Okay, this is the report. Everything blood we have stated in the report. Fire license and everything.
No. So what is your objection?
The objection, my lord.
They do not have any of the requisite permissions from other authorities.
No, not only that. Not only that. It's a blood road of 14 feet. Safety security blood, your lordship knows very well.
No, but
the
one thing, safety
2015, man, kindly allow me. 2015, the blood, the Deshopriya Park, the stamp and blood, I have taken out that report also. Blood, ultimately, on Sosti, blood, the entire.
No, you have refused permission.
Not.
Where is that?
No, blood, refusal, blood.
Mr. Banerjee, when an application has been filed, they are required to take permission from a competent authority. Along with maybe A, B, C clearances from different authorities, they have to apply before you. This is a document which Mr. Bhattacharyji refers to that they have applied.
Yes,
And these beers, did you receive this application?
but I do not know. I don't have any instructions.
No, that they have received, that is also
Any document to show that?
page 44, page 44.
Page 44?
Yes, my lord,
Service,
yes, service.
service,
Yes,
service.
all right. So,
Whether
Mr.
receipt of-
Banerjee, what is your instruction on this page 26? Permission, if you have refused, kindly intimate them the reasons for refusal.
My lord,
That I
They are
can tell you.
entitled to know why their permission,
my lord,
why
my
their
lord, my lord.
permission prayer has
I'm
been
not-
refused or
Whether,
allowed.
whether this has been received or not, kindly ask them to make a fresh application.
Why fresh application, Mr. Banerjee?
Whether-
Mr. Banerjee, you can take
Yes, if you
instructions.
direct.
Mr. Bhattacharya is saying the document is at page 44.
My lord.
So kindly take instructions
We
whether
have take, we have kindly come to page 50. The electricity board has given us the permission, we have paid everything.
no.
Like
Not
this-
electricity.
That is from the other authorities.
No,
So ultimate
But the
permission is to be
ultimate
given
safety
by
and
the
security of the people.
Mr. Banerjee has not come out with those little less voice that they apprehend stampede.
Yes, that's right.
That is the submission from the bar.
Yes.
So there is
Not
nothing.
submission from the bar. My lord, he say, on instruction, what I'm saying.
No. Mr. Banerjee, did you intimate them
My,
the reasons
my lord.
that for A, B, C
Because
reasons
already one
I
instance.
have
Yeah.
refused your permission. You are not entitled for reason A, B, C. Where is that?
My lord, kindly, my lord.
Tomorrow?
No, my lord, your lordship, kindly dispose it of, I shall consider it and take a decision.
No
Then-
disposal, no disposal.
So then
Let them come out with the
today we are
disposal.
at 25th, 27th. Take a decision. Come back on 27th.
Now, that if it is not,
Mr. Banerjee, yes or no permission, whether you grant or refuse,
My,
they are entitled to know.
my lord.
And if you take any steps, they are entitled to challenge. If it is
My-
in their
my-
favor,
my-
they can act
my-
on that. They are entitled to
My-
challenge.
my lord.
So now
that they are
the
just
only few days left before
Yes,
the
yes.
puja vacation. So you
by
have,
halfway construction, my lord.
yes, so you have instructions with you, nothing communicated. So reasons are with you. Communicate them the reasons.
Now,
My
only I tell you, Mr. Anju, will agree with me, that they are apprehending stampede. That is the ground.
No,
Let them
not only
communicate,
that,
Mr.
not only
That they
No, no, no.
communicate without non-official.
How my landed senior friends know.
Yes, they have
Then
told
Lord,
us.
on
I'm
one hand,
keeping
he saying. we
Mr.
have got
Banerjee,
this
I'm
form.
keeping it on 27th. So
They have told us verbally.
27th, you can communicate your decision before that to the petitioner.
27th, but today is 25th.
25th, yes. Tomorrow you are getting the entire day. According to you, you have instructions. You are saying stampede occurred in 2015 in Deshopriyo Park.
Yes.
This is a road of 14 feet.
Yes, everything is with him.
So everything is with you, available with you. So it must be, and you are making submissions on the basis of the instructions of the authorities.
My lord.
So they must be aware of this. So
Let
let
it be
them
tomorrow.
communicate the reasons by tomorrow. I'm keeping it on 27th.
My lord.
Instead of 27th, will it be on Tuesday? First,
Mr. Tuesday,
No, but then we are.
1st of October, Mr. Banerjee, we are closing on 8th. Kindly consider that. If they are allowed, then they have to make the necessary, the other things, they have to complete those. If not, they are entitled to take steps in accordance
No,
with
but
law.
kindly visualize, this will be that international SLAR. UNESCO has prepared their team. They say we are sending team to examine your claim. Now I have to complete everything.
That is why. So they have to, if they are allowed, they are called to, if not,
Petition
Yes.
পড় না।
yeah, পড়েছি,
Petition না পড়ে কথা বলছি।
পড়েছি। আপনাকে কেউ বলেনি যে আপনি কেউ বলেনি যে আমরা যাচ্ছি।
এটা তো বোধহয়
And Lord, kindly Lord, direct to consider
So this is
independently.
relating to Justice Bharadwaj's determination.
Yes, yes.
This is relating to Justice Bharadwaj. So I'm posting it 27th before the regular bench.
But if it is development seats, otherwise also can't take it up.
Mr. Bhattacharya,
Pilot-
the difficulty is determination is only for today.
Yes.
So I cannot take it up.
No,
This-
if the determination continues, Lordship kindly.
If the continues, I'm directing before the regular bench. If that determination continues, it will come. Otherwise,
পাঠার আমি বলতে পারি না।
no. This matter was mentioned
তাহলে
today
এখানে
at
হবে,
the first sitting of the court.
যদি ভরতদাস না
citing-
বলে এখানে হবে।
Grave urgency. Stop. Considering the prayer for urgency, this matter was directed to appear in the supplementary list. and the learned advocate for the petitioner was also directed to serve notice upon the learned advocate appearing for the state. Full stop. Accordingly, this matter has been taken up. This matter has been taken up. Full stop. Mr. Bhattacharjee, learned senior counsel, representing the petitioner, submits that the petitioner organize. You are the organization or
You are the organizer.
but no, it's
Secretary of the Milord Organizing Committee.
submits that the petitioner is the secretary of the organizing committee, which is performing Durga Puja every year
For last
for
50
the
years.
last
50 years.
50 years. 50.
5-5.
55 for the last 55 years. Full stop. He further submits that as per the procedure, the petitioner has obtained requisite permission from the
Applied for.
no electricity and other things
Electricity granted.
applied for obtained
But
obtained requisite
kindly
permission.
record, Milord, in this year, then the feet, the idol fees is 112.
সেটাতে
Kindly,
that will record
Uh,
এটা আমরা চাই তোকে বসিয়ে দেবো কমেন্ট শিখে
কি হলো কেটে গেল permission from different authorities, namely the electricity authorities, fire department, etc.
and other competent authorities, your lordship kindly required. Your lordship kindly record that.
whatever
Further
required, we shall
submits
get it if necessary.
That thereafter the petitioner applied before the district magistrate Noida district by a letter dated 3rd of September 2024, requesting the said authority to grant permission in favor of the petitioner to perform the Durga Puja this year. Full stop. Paragraph. Mr. Banerjee, learned advocate appearing for the state, submits that the height of the idol which the petitioner is contemplating for performing the Durga Puja this year is in excess of the permissible limit.
112 feet.
No,
Full stop.
But
He submits that the authority, while according the permission, has to take into consideration several factors,
Safety and
including
security of the Milord.
the safety, security, width of the road, etc., while granting permission, while granting or / refusing such permission. Full stop. On a query of the court as to whether any communication with any decision with regard to the prayer made by the petitioner for grant of permission by letter dated 3rd of September 2024 has been made, Mr. Banerjee seeks time to take instruction in this regard. Full stop. Since the application was submitted, Mr. Bhattacharjee, learned senior counsel,
No.
submits that there are documents to show that the said application has been duly received by the office of the
মারা উচিত।
district magistrate. Full stop.
এই নিতে হবে।
But only record one thing, Milord, that the puja will be held in an open field, not on a street. Open
Hmm.
field.
But the approach,
On an open field.
open field, but not by air,
Uh,
but
Mr.
through road.
all right. When is the scheduled opening of the, there will be some opening or,
Mohammed Ali.
so
Second,
you said UNESCO and other authorities will come, they will come during the pujas.
yes,
Any day, any day.
When, what is the date?
Milord, they have not given a fixed date.
From 8th or 9th, 8th, the puja will start from 8th.
8, let it be or not.
Considering the fact that the Durga Puja will be performed on and from October 8, 2024. This court directs the district magistrate Noida district to communicate the decision,
decision and will communicate.
to communicate the decision with regard to the prayer made by the petitioner for permission to hold Durga Puja.
By
That
tomorrow.
is the area you have not specified in the application, nothing.
Yes, yes.
Where is that?
Permission.
You are kindly come to page.
Page-
I have given a Milord site plan, page 25.
Page 25.
The site plan is at page
Site plan
25.
is very vague, Mr. Bhatt.
No, Milord, we have said whether
Nothing mentioned, plot number, nothing.
Oh. Milord, that is mentioned in the connecting
But in
application.
this case map, vague, absolutely vague.
Because Milord, this vagueness, because the authority Milord said, carry on, no problem. But the problem came only after
But
the
the
honorable
difficulty is that I cannot
Milord,
refer
I-
to this.
Milord, Lordship kindly record, Milord, I'm
Milord, Milord, I say you deny this if possible.
Yes.
Page number 27.
Milord, the hon-
Every respect to my understanding, but don't take the name of the person.
Banerjee, don't quarrel inside the.
Sir, why?
This.
Why? Each and every matters, Milord, now they are adopting the names of the government, names of
Yes, yes.
the
Milord, chief minister is not a name in the office.
Banerjee, you are aging.
I'm 18, he also crossed my age.
No, Milord,
Kindly consider.
kindly come to page 27.
27 years.
স্ট্রাকচারের
You want to politicize.
স্ট্রাকচারের সাথে দাঁড় করানো হবে সেটি মোট 40 বিঘা ক্লাব
No, no, where is the plot number, any specification, where nothing has been mentioned anywhere.
না না
Absolutely
প্লট
vague.
নাম্বার বলছেন প্লট
আচ্ছা, কি বললাম? কি বলে-
প্লট ওটা বাড়ি কথা বল Milord,
And
we
that
have
is
also
not
given
24,
Milord
Give me a minute, give me a minute, otherwise the order. Mr. Banerjee, kindly give me a minute. Hello?
Milord, you have said it is Milord on 40 বিঘা
With regard to
upon
the prayer
40 বিঘা
for-
land.
ক্লাব সংলগ্ন 400 ফাঁকা
And
This
you
year.
have also said that the
Here, full stop.
visitors will be allowed to stay 120 feet away.
It will be open to the said authority to call upon the petitioner if the authority, if the authority finds it necessary for the purpose of ascertaining the exact location where
Yes.
the
No,
puja
but the
will be.
police is there. Kindly see the photograph. Lordship need not be troubled.
Photograph the exact location.
No, no, the location where Milord,
You kindly go there. If they want, they will inform you.
Milord, they will not because Milord, they are under the pressure from the hierarchy. I have made a very categorical statement.
Let them
Kindly
take
record
them
the submission and allow me to
communicate the
file affidavit.
Kindly see Milord the photograph. The
Allow me
police
to
is,
file affidavit.
the police should
And
be
what authority Milord is saying? paragraph 15 by God.
Perform.
নাম বললেন
and the pandal to be erected.
চিফ মিনিস্টার মমতা ব্যানার্জি
Kindly is already Milord under election process. They should not stop us from doing that.
বললাম, the
অল রিলিজিয়াস লিডার সেখানে প্রেজেন্ট ছিল সেই অবস্থায় বলেছেন
আরে যে মুখ্যমন্ত্রী এক কথা বলে পরে বলে বলিনি সেই মুখ্যমন্ত্রী আছে কথা।
সেই মুখ্যমন্ত্রী কাজ করছে দেশে। আমাদের মুখ্যমন্ত্রী কি করে গেছে সেটা দেখুন।
full stop. The such decision is to be communicated to the
শুনে দেবো শুনে দেবো
petitioner
না না ওর সাথে ঝগড়া করছে। But
by
tomorrow 12 noon.
5 p.m.
No, 5 p.m. kindly. Well, let it be by 3 p.m. tomorrow.
By 3 p.m. Can you do that?
5 p.m. is right.
Let it be 5 p.m. I'm posting it on 27.
Well, 5 p.m. they will say office. There was no employee to do this. But we are
I've said by.
Bye.
By.
no, by
So
five.
only
if they
because-
say
Make
it
it
is
four.
closed,
Only
Make it
Milord,
four.
your lordship,
Make it
kindly,
Make it four.
kindly
the
record.
Banerjee,
No, pay.
4 p.m.
No.
4 p.m.
আরে হোয়াট এভার ইউ
How long your office is
I
open?
repeat your lordship.
4 p.m.
But only Milord, kindly record.
List this matter on 27th of September
কাজ কন্টিনিউ করতে
2024 before the regular bench, subject to the convenience of his lordship.
My lord, only
No, Milord,
Milord,
only one.
The convenience of the
Milord,
I will be-
kindly allow me, Milord. Page 25, the sketch map, they are, Milord, annexed, they have annexed here. Lordship, kindly see the road shows, Milord, 24 feet.
communicate টা হচ্ছে 26 তারিখ কালকে
তারাও না,
কালকে
ছুটি করো না।
26 তারিখ কমিউনিকেট করবে টু দা পিটিশনার টুমরো যেটা
যেদিকে
টুমোরটা বলেনি সেটা টুমোরো বলে ব্র্যাকেটে ডেটটা দিয়ে দেবেন কালকে আর লিস্ট দিস ম্যাটার অন 27th before
Only my lord, and
But
kindly hear me.
আমি একটু বলে নি দাদা,
না দাঁড়ান, আপনি একটা রং ইয়ে দিয়েছেন।
yes
Page 25.
how could you
Yes.
come wrong with this without
Yes.
instruction?
Lord, the road is 14 feet. Lord,
that have recorded that
Then
your
Lord,
submission
kindly record one line subject to correction.
yes
Lord, the district magistrate will take decision independently because your lordship has not gone into the merit.
yes
That indicates that he was actually not
sir
independent.
Banerjee,
Everything is
if you want I can record that
Yeah.
but whether it will go well if I say that the district magistrate will act independently, what does it mean? If you want I can record that in the order.
Your lordship.
District magistrate has to act independently.
Yes, my lordship.
So
Otherwise,
if you want
no,
I can
your
put
lordship,
it, but
your lordship has said.
what signal will
No,
go to
your
the-
lordship earlier occasion says, Lord, in earlier paragraph, that the permission and or refusal.
yes
Then your lordship kindly record that in the last line also, for granting permission and or refusal.
no his application is for grant
Ah.
and you have said those are the factors to
No,
be
take
considered.
decision. Your lordship has said, take decision for grant of permission. That's that
take
is not the.
take decision
On the application, lordship cannot say the refusal or permission.
Yes,
On the
lordship has-
application.
যেটা বলেছি তো কমিউনিকেট দ্য ডিসিশন ওই লাইনটা একটু পড়ুন তো একটু জোরে জোরে পড়ুন দি ডিস্ট্রিক্ট ম্যাজিস্ট্রেট ইজ ডাইরেক্টেড টু টেক আ ডিসিশন যেটা বলছে ওই লাইনটা একটু সেন্টেন্সটা একটু জোরে জোরে পড়ুন ওই ওখান থেকে বলুন অনেক হ্যাঁ বলুন with regard to the prayer made by the
That's what that's the
I've said prayer
prayer for grant of permission.
prayer is so you can take a decision either way.
That is why your lordship kindly make it clear.
So,
Otherwise, you will not.
prayer is for I've said to take a decision with regard to the prayer. I've not said allow the prayer. Take a decision with regard to the prayer.
Well, I will make a very humble Lord prayer for interim order. Now, police is resisting us, Lord, to construct the
No, I'm not
pandas.
to stick to that.
Lord, that should
No,
be Lord.
that is submission from the bar. That is submission
No,
from the
not
bar.
bar petition.
No, submission from the bar.
Wait,
Then Lord, I shall file affidavit.
because tomorrow they will
Yes,
communicate.
I shall file affidavit.
27th,
আমাকে ওগুলো দেবেন একটু।
are you carrying on
Yes.
the construction of the
Yes,
pandal?
can you see the photograph?
Saib.
The police Lord is now.
No, my lord, then
Having
I shall
constant
file
what?
affidavit.
All right.
I shall file affidavit.
Don't extend the
No.
don't
Lord,
expand
we
do it
shall,
within that.
the structure should be completed, no
Yes,
extension.
don't extend the
Never.
periphery of
Can't take it.
Then my lord,
Kindly
it
record.
amounts to grant permission.
How can,
No, my lord,
I'm not that Mr. Banerjee kindly
how can the
consider
police?
Oh,
I'm not allowing at their own risk,
Yes.
but they will not be allowed to extend any further.
Then my lord, your lordship, only one day, nothing will not happen. Lordship kindly fix it tomorrow, then tomorrow at 5
What
p.m.
is it,
Yes.
tomorrow?
Tomorrow
Kindly-
5 p.m. Your lordship kindly fix it.
He quoted.
Up to 4 yes. Just
Then you communicate by 2 p.m.
Yes. Kindly take it.
Communicate by 2 p.m. I'm
Take it at
after
4
2 p.m.
4 p.m.
You communicate by 2 p.m.
3.
Yes, yes.
because they must know that they must be
Communicate by 3 p.m. Lordship kindly fix it in 4 p.m.
Mr. Banerjee, they have to get some time to get prepared there. You will communicate to the client. The client will communicate to the advocate. Advocate will so communicate by 2 p.m. I'm directing this matter to be placed tomorrow.
Yes. Try করে দিন সবচেয়ে ভালো।
But Mr. Banerjee and Mr. Bhattacharya, I cannot fix the time. So you have to mention before the.
Very well. If the court seats.
I will only indicate to be
The
listed
urgency
tomorrow.
of the recorded.
Urgency I have said, ওই যেখানে বলেছি না, to communicate the decision by 26, ওটা 4 p.m. যেটা বলছে ওটা 2 p.m. করে দিন, latest by 2 p.m.
Latest by 2 p.m. Yes.
2 p.m. your
আর
lordship
this matter যেটা 27th বলেছি ওটা 26 করে দেবেন
I'm developed.
for the regular bench.
Developed.
27 to
না, না,
26 কালকেই থাকবে
মেনশন করে দেবে কাল যদি
এটাকে আগে করে দিন।
order দেখি।
অর্ডারটা তাড়াতাড়ি
server,
By
we
he
get
will
it
take
server
me.
from,
Mr. Both of you have heard this order. They have
then my lord, your lordship knows.
time is necessary to transcribe this.
If he
They are under
communicate-
tremendous pressure, Mr. Banerjee, you are here.
Well, she will get out.
8 p.m. 8 p.m.
I will try, they will make an endeavor.
so that I can
They
communicate.
are, every day they are leaving late in the evening.
I know. All
I'm
the
telling you,
honorable judges.
All of them, they are working.
That's right.
Kindly bear, because both of you have heard the order.
I shall ask my junior to communicate, to kindly consider this
Liberty to
application.
communicate,
Yes.
liberty to communicate this said order. Commissioner will be at liberty to communicate this order to the
May I
district magistrate,
পাঠিয়ে দাও।
to the district magistrate.
রামদীপ,
I will try to see that it will be uploaded.
Communication, your lordship has said, communication, shall communicate, yes, but if there is any difference in communication, then your
the court
Your Lordship,
record will
Mr.
speak.
Banerjee, you have heard the order, only the decision to be taken and to be communicated, that is the only effective.
Kindly consider that, because
I will see that it is, the server is made, but kindly consider,
If somebody
flight, they are-
miscommunicates, the court is there to see.
so,
only blood, if it is possible, blood, kindly.
yes, sir, they will try, Mr. Banerjee, it may be take some time.
8 PM, I would can communicate.
ডিএমএর মেল আইডিটা
অর্ডারটা আগে করে দেবেন।
ডিএমএর মেল আইডিটা দিয়ে
এই আমার কাছে।
যদি আপনার কাজ এখানে করতে হয়,
ভুল থেকে পেয়ে যাবো।
জিপি অফিস মেল আইডিটাই যাচ্ছে
গুগলে পেয়ে যাবে। PM এর mail ID, আমি গুগলে পেয়ে যাবো।
পাঠিয়ে দাও।
What?
Mail ID of district magistrate, it will get from Google.
Mail ID of the district magistrate?
available.
If you have, you can.
I have, keep you. I have, না আমি কথা, আমি তো সবারই mail ID নিয়ে ঘুরে বেড়াচ্ছি।
Yes, call the next matter.